Everybody for us here up in 2 boxes of 2022 Topps Cosmic Chrome Baseball Hobby for Travis Yu. Thanks, Travis, and good luck.
It was a mellow disco. Great rookie, really nice. Cans. But ridiculous. And the other one was like a Sadiq Bey. I did the Sadiq Bey as the tester. So I watched this thing, and dude, perfect. Last time I did that, it was a nightmare.
Huh.
So easy.
You did it here at the shop?
Here, yeah.
Nice.
Yep. I was eating my turkey and cracking them.
Got Kowar. Launch into orbit, Shohei Ohtani.
Yeah.
Chris Sale, Rocket Arms. Torkelson rookie base with a Quan rookie base. Yeah, looking for a bunch of Marlins for Travis.
Let's go Dolphins.
Marcus Semien. Sometimes that's just people's living, SG.
Yeah, man, that's just extra dollars coming in.
Yeah, Refractor Max Kepler. When people have time to get that much into the hobby, that's kind of how, you know, what it comes down to, you know.
Those are huge dollars for them.
There's Arena.
I'm that guy.
Got Orange Galactic Vladdy Jr. That's nice. Numbered 18 out of 25, Vladdy. Garrett Cole, Rocket Arms. Jake Myers. Yeah, a lot of people just sell on eBay for a living. Launch into orbit, Vladdy Jr. Stargaze Bregman. And Ozzy Albies Blue Moon. 6 of 99. Walker Buehler Rocket Arms. What was that? No, that was Lewis. I thought that was J-Rod. Yeah, Vlad Jr. Marlins.
Let's go Dolphins.
Stargaze Trey Turner. Harper Super. I mean, hey, that'd be cool. Brujan Nucleus, Wilson Contreras. Josiah Gray, Royce Lewis. Rookie Refractor, Vidal Brujan. Abrams rookie base.
The Dolphins.
Alec Thomas, Stargaze Trevor Story. Scherzer Rocket Arms. All right, come on. Better second box here. Yu Darvish Rocket Arms. Blue Moon, Rafael Devers, 75 of 99. Launch into orbit, Ronald Acuna Jr. Stargaze Matt Olson. Dude, come on. Does this not do anything? Does this not work? There we go. Woo! What's that? What's that?
Uh-oh.
Youth Invasion, Wander Franco.
Ooh.
There we go. Case hit. Youth Invasion, Wander. We'll get that in a mag for you, Travis, or as Sam would say, Killer Trav.
Killer Trav.
Josh Hader, Rocket Arms. Stargaze, Lindor.
I got the next 2 days with Steve Scridge.
My condolences.
Yeah, thank you.
Anthony Rizzo.
It's going to be a rough one.
Gonna earn that day off Thursday.
Yeah. For sure.
So Ryan got Refractor, Willie Adames. Just got to give him a hard time all the time.
Oh, I do. Trust me.
I'll come and chat too.
Yes.
Probably not much tomorrow night. Wednesday night maybe. I don't know. I might go to the hockey game Wednesday night.
Oh yeah.
I may. Ooh, a Black Eclipse, Dallas Keuchel. Well, 10 out of 10 there. Not the best player, but nice parallel. Say a rookie. Launched into orbit, Luis Robert. Bryson Stott. Anthony Rendon. Devils are a wagon, Kyle. Shane Bieber, Rocket Arms. Otto Lopez. Could be an auto in here. Usually with the case hit, there's a decent auto too for the most part. Wander Franco, Nucleus, Teoscar Hernandez, Kyle Muller. Stargaze McCutcheon. Verlander, Rocket Arms. Gavin Sheets. Gold Interstellar. Rookie Royce Lewis. Nice card. Good box here. Good second box. First one was tough. This one's awesome. 23 of 50 on the Royce. Rookie Refractor. Julio Rodriguez as well. Very good box. Appreciate it, Travis. Congrats, buddy. We'll get these out to you.